Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeff is back with another video. All right, y'all. Hold on just a second here, y'all. Hold on just a second here. All right, y'all. All right, I'm back here. I had to turn something off over there. All right, y'all. What else? Hello, my old school soul food family. Welcome back to another video. We are up to VLOGMAS day 19, y'all. Christmas is almost here. Christmas 6 days away. I hope y'all got all y'all Christmas presents, and I hope y'all got mine in the mail. I ain't got one Christmas present yet. So what's the hold up over there? So anyway, let's get started here. Today I'm doing something I absolutely love. Y'all know my obsession. If you've been following me on enough, especially when I do road trips and cruises and go to Vegas, I absolutely love smoked salmon. I've been loving smoked salmon ever since I've been working in the professional kitchen. It's the best thing I've tasted in the world. It's an acquired taste. I didn't grow up eating it. Like I say, I started eating it after I started working in professional kitchens, and I haven't looked back since. And nothing better than a smoked salmon dip. Now I'm gonna show you my smoked salmon dip. Now, there's a difference. I can make it two ways. But I like the rustic way. You can put this in a blender, or you can do it like I'm about to do it and just mix it together with a mixer, which I think is better because I have more of a coarser salmon, which I like. I don't want that smooth salmon. You can do it either way. I've had it either way and I've made it either way. So it's very simple what I got here. Very simple ingredient. I got some smoked salmon that I coarsely chopped. Like I said, I want to see my smoked salmon as I eat it. That's just my preference. I got some mayonnaise here, sour cream, some soft cream cheese, some white onions. You can use red onions. When I eat smoked salmon, most time it comes with red onions. Most time when you eat smoked salmon, it comes with red onions, capers, boiled eggs. That's most time when you throw some kind of hard bread. But I don't have, of course, boiled eggs in there. So white onions. I got some chives, some dill. Of course, dill and salmon go together like macaroni and cheese. And some capers as well, and a little salt and pepper for flavor. Very simple to put this thing together, y'all. All I'm going to do is cream the sour cream up in here. And y'all don't have to use a mixer like this. You can use a hand mixer, y'all. Just doing it where I can have my hands free. Doing this here. I'm going to mix that together. I'm gonna put my I'm gonna put my sour cream in there and my mayonnaise, kind of mix them all up together. And of course, like every recipe that I do, recipes in the description of the video. So we're gonna cream all this together. It's so simple, y'all. So simple. Get that creamed up together. Kind of scrape this down, kind of make sure it's really creamy. I don't want no lumpy salmon dip, do we? And the rest of the stuff we just gonna kind of fold in here with the mixer. I'm gonna throw the onions in there. Mixer never want to come where your space that you want it. I always want to be in the front. Y'all ever notice that? Ever notice that? Okay, I put my onions in there, capers in there. I love my capers. A little lemon juice, a little dill here. I love dill. You can put a little, more than as little as you want. Little capers. Chives. I'm gonna mix it up. Then I'm gonna put my salmon here right at the end. Let me kind of move this around here, y'all. Oh, y'all, be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. All right, y'all. Gonna kind of whip that together there, and like I say, I'm gonna fold my salmon in right to last, and then we're gonna put our salt and pepper. Make sure you get all that goodness in there. All that good salmon in there, y'all. Move that around in there. Now we're gonna season this with a little salt and pepper. And I hate how I have to chill this down, y'all. Because you know definitely I want to eat some of this right now. Let's put a little salt and pepper in here. Give it a little taste here, make sure it's seasoned right. Make sure it's seasoned right here. Oh God. All right, that should do it. Let me grab my bowl here. All right, y'all, I'm gonna put it in a bowl right here. And make sure you get all that goodness off of there, y'all. Get all that goodness off of here. Now we need to let this chill in the refrigerator about an hour or so. I'll go a couple hours. I got something else I need to do. Gonna put it in our bowl right here. I'm gonna let this chill a couple hours. And when we come back, I'm gonna get me some crackers. Cause there ain't gonna be no Chef Kenneth. Ain't gonna be no club crackers either. So I'm gonna chill this down in the refrigerator, y'all, for a couple hours. We're gonna come back, and I gotta show y'all and prove to y'all how good this old school. Oh, I forgot to do one thing here, y'all. Gotta put my dill on there. Gotta make it pretty with the dill. There we go. So when we come back here, once it chills, right now you ain't gonna get the real effect on it until it chill down. Once it chill down, we'll come back and I'll show y'all how it is. Old school smoked salmon spread. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. All right, y'all. Y'all know I gotta use my fancy crackers for, like I told y'all, this ain't for Ritz crackers and this is not for your club crackers, Kenneth. This smoked salmon here. This gotta keep it classy. Gotta keep it classy. So, like I said, I let this chill in the refrigerator. See how it's set up now? See that? You put it back in the refrigerator and let it kind of chill a little. Spread a little on there. And see why I like to do the chunks of salmon instead of pureeing it in the food processor? Because I like to have them, see that salmon in there? It got the dill, the onions. So anyway, y'all, let's go in here. Look at that. It's so good. If you like smoked salmon, like with the eggs and the capers and the onions, this is even better. Look at that. Oh, wow. So good, y'all. Because it's so creamy. With that cream cheese. Now look, if you want to get you a Ritz and put it on a Ritz, hey, you do you. Or you want to do like Kenneth, put it on a club cracker, you do you. Christmas time, it's time to keep it classy. Look at that. I love this stuff, y'all. If y'all couldn't tell. You taste the saltiness of the capers. Like I say, the creaminess of the cream cheese, the sour cream. Mayonnaise got a little hint of that lemon juice. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. So, anyway, a little quick appetizer for y'all to serve on your Christmas table. Christmas buffet, however you want to do it, Christmas party you have coming up. This is perfect. Absolutely perfect. You see how easy it is to make. Everything you should have in your fridge besides the smoked salmon. So anyway, let me close this video out. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe, please follow my other social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2023, just show some kindness. Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Y'all have a happy, blessed day. VLOGMAS 19, done.